Good morning to all of you. In the last lecture, we do about some basic concept of the geography. Now we start with our chapter, that is India, location and size. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट। और हमने पिछले लेक्चर में ये पढ़ भी लिया था कि हमारे पास इस ग्लोब के ऊपर किस तरह की लाइनें बनी हुई हैं। अगेन आई रिपीट इट, लास्ट टॉपिक कि दिस इज अ ग्लोब एंड दिस लाइन इज नॉन एज इक्वेटर। इक्वेटर मीन्स equator divides globe into two hemisphere. One is, this part is called, because how we locate the direction, this and this one. This is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. Above the equator there is northern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and below the equator, above the equator northern hemisphere, below the southern hemisphere. These two hemispheres are found on the globe. We get on the globe. Now, these are the parallel lines which indicate the location, and these lines are known as, this is the first topic, what is equator. Now, what about the second topic? Second important thing is latitude. Latitude, what is latitude? Latitude gives the direction. In simple words, you remember for your whole life, that gives you direction. Okay? And where the one line originated, this is 1 degree, second line 2 degree, third line 3 degree. And as you go above this level, you got 90 lines. How many lines? 90. And 90 below the equator, total 180, and plus 1 is 180. So this is the latitude. Latitude gives you direction, and total number of latitude is 180. Okay, this is latitude. This is just a revision and you got it very easily. Now the arc or the longitudinal lines which gives the time difference, these are the longitudinal lines. Now next one is longitudinals line. These gives the time difference. This gives the time difference. So this is important. Longitudinal lines gives us the time difference. And how many lines are there? There is total 360 lines. These lines are not parallel. These lines are not parallel. But latitudes are parallel. Again, I tell you, this is very important concept for your whole life. So please focus on it. Now we start with our chapter. And what is our chapter? Chapter is India, location and its size. Now I draw again this globe. So this is a globe for you, and this is equator. And where where is the India lies? First, India, this is the brief summary. India is, you write it, India is a vast country. We all know India is a vast country. Now, second thing, India is existing between existed between latitude 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the important thing. And how you get it, just see this. This is the location of the India. This is the location of the India on the map. And this line is at latitude, is at 8 degree 4 minute north. Why you write north? Because this is the part of the northern hemisphere. This is very important. Why you write north? Because this is the part of northern hemisphere. ये जो part है वो northern hemisphere का है, इसीलिए हम इसको लिखते हैं 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट नॉर्थ। और आपको एक बात बता दूं, ज़्यादा इंग्लिश हो जाए तो सॉरी उस चीज़ के लिए, लेकिन मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता दूं कि ज्योग्राफी एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है कि इफ़ यू, अगर आप एनालाइज करोगे 10th की ज्योग्राफी बहुत आसान है, लेकिन 9th की ज्योग्राफी बेसिक कंसेप्ट आपको सिखाएगी, इंडिया के साइज के बारे में बताएगी, लोकेशंस के बारे में बताएगी, आपको हिमालय की फॉर्मेशन बताएगी, आपको कैसे मानसून आता है उसकी फॉर्मेशन को बताएगी। तो दीज 3 चैप्टर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर होल लाइफ। ये कभी भी नहीं आते आगे। भैया 11th में ज्योग्राफी आप लोगे नहीं लोगे कुछ नहीं पता, लेकिन आपको अपने देश की जानकारी होनी चाहिए, वो कैसे नॉर्थ में आ रहा है, कैसे ईस्ट में आ रहा है। यू हैव टू नो एवरीथिंग, दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। क्योंकि बच्चे सोचते हैं कि आई गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम टीचर्स एंड आई गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम माई लाइफ। सो knowledge is the one thing that covers everything. Your behavior, your nature, everything is covered by your knowledge. So please focus on what is going on with you. Just do the 2 lines and just revise it again and again. You get a great opportunity in your life that you get a great job. So please focus on it and study again and again. So second important line, India is existing between latitude 8 degree 4 minute, and I completely draw India. This is the India for you. Just this drawing is not very much good. Simple drawing. This line is 37 degree 6 minute north. You get it. Means that India is located between the 2 lines. These 2 lines are 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Now, if you are at any position in this, on this line, if you are in any position, you will find that you will at 8 degree 4 minute north. Okay, how we calculate the angle? This is very simple, but none of your business. So please just focus that latitude line is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, now because I tell you that one line is for 1 degree, 2 line is for 2 degree, 3 line is for 3 degree, and total degree is 90 degree. Means pole is at 90 degree. So learn. Now third point is India is existing between longitude is 68 degree 7 minute east. Now important, and 97 degree 25 minute east. Why I write east? Again, show this map or show this globe. This is the central part, which is passes from the London Greenwich timeline बोलते हैं इसको, and this is passes through the London. Now as we move forward, and this line is at this line is at 68 degree 7 minute east, because this is the western part. Yeah, this is the western part, and this is the eastern part. So very important concept, that 68 degree 7 minute east. This is the angle, 68 degree 7 minute. You calculate these angles. This is in degree, this is in minutes. Very important. One day I also gives you description on these things, lines, how you calculate angle in the minute, hours, seconds, and how in the degree. So very important. Now, because angle is always in radians, but these angles are in degree and minute. So 68 degree 7 minute. This line is located at 68 degree 7 minute, and this line is 97 degree 25 minutes. So India is located east. Now again, because it is in the eastern part and this is in the northern part. That's why these three important things. India is a vast country. India is existing between latitude 8 degree 4 minute, 37 degree 6 minute, and India is existing between longitude this and this. So I again say you कि भैया थोड़ा सा हिंदी में हो जाए कि भैया ये लाइनें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपकी लाइफ के लिए. First chapter is like this, just you remember things, not a big questions, not a very high-fi question, just one marks questions, you get it very easily. You again and again remember these things, you again and again learn these things 5 times, 6 times, 8 times, and you get it everything. Now this is the location of the India. You find it on your globe that this is the location of the India. If you not analyze it, just you go through the first video and what is the latitude, what is the longitude. I again repeat it, but study it in the constant direction or in the constant flow. Now, location is completed. Now I tell you one thing. Location is, one location is also there, that there is a Tropic of Cancer. Very important line. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two parts, and it passes from 8 states. Very important. 8 states. There are 8 states from which Tropic of Cancer is passed. This Tropic of Cancer, angle of Tropic of Cancer या Tropic of Cancer, angle of Tropic of Cancer is, angle of Tropic of Cancer is how much? 23 degree 30 minutes. Means Tropic of Cancer latitude. Tropic of Cancer is also a latitude which is at, you write it like this. Tropic of Cancer is a latitude which is at, whose measurement is how much? 23 degree 30 minutes. Very important. Tropic of Cancer is a latitude whose measurement is 23 degree 30 minutes. Yeah, whose angle is, you measurement you write, not measurement you write it angle, and whose angle is 23 degree 30 minutes. So this is important. Tropic of Cancer is a latitude. So again you see this, that Tropic of Cancer is also a latitude which divides the India into two parts, which is passes, which is whose angle is how much? 23 degree 30 minutes. So this is 23 degree 30 minutes. Very important data. ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर को इंग्लिश में हिंदी में बोलते हैं कर्क रेखा, कर्क रेखा बोलते हैं, ठीक है। और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर हो गया आपका। भी ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर कहां से जा रही है? 23 डिग्री 30 मिनट से जाती है और लेटीट्यूड है वो भी, और 8 स्टेट से पास होती है। लास्ट में मैंने 8 स्टेट के नाम भी लिखूंगा, ध्यान रखना। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इज ओवर। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर डिवाइड्स द इंडिया इनटू टू पार्ट्स। दिस इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट कि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर। 4 पॉइंट यू हैव। फिफ्थ पॉइंट नॉट डील्स विद दीज थिंग्स। वन थिंग आई टेल यू, that this is your India for you. Okay, now I draw it half. I divide it into two. Coordinate geometry. This is the east direction, this is the west direction, this is the north, and this is the south direction. Now you see that if you see from here, from the horizon, this is the part, this is the part. Okay, this is known as southeast direction, and this is known as southwest. So in the southeast and the southwest we have sea. This is the Indian Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean. ये जो जगह है वो इंडियन ओशियन की है, और साउथ वेस्ट और साउथ ईस्ट जो दो डायरेक्शन है उसके अंदर इंडियन ओशियन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स। वन इज अरेबियन सी, अरब सागर या अरेबियन सी, और हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसको अरब सागर, याद रखना। सेकेंड इज one is Arabian Sea and second one is Bay of Bengal. So Bay of Bengal is in southeast direction, and Arabian Sea or Arab Sagar is in southwest. So I hope you get very simple structure in front of you, that how you learn this whole geography. Very simple. These are the 4 directions, and another one which divide it into half part. One is southeast, one is southwest. Again here is northeast, here is northwest. So Indian Ocean is also divided into 2 parts because of this peninsula. This is the peninsula for you. This is the peninsula. I come on this peninsula in the next lecture. Peninsula is also important. Now you get the location of the India. Size we discuss tomorrow, but you completed this. Just one paragraph and you read it with your heart, with your pleasures. But I again say to everyone, because these students are brilliant, because they take SST in the English, and I also work hard on this. So just study again and again, and you get these data in your mind, in your brain. Again and again you read what is the latitude, from where the India started, from India, and what is the position of longitude, and Indian Ocean is divided into 2 parts. Which are the 2 parts? Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is just like just is here, and here is Arabian Sea. So you again read. Thank you, and again read.